subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand what is meant by octal number system. So we will have an introduction to the octal number system. In our previous videos, we have covered we have covered decimal number system and binary number system. Now we will try to understand what is an octal number system. So what an octal number system states is, the definition of the octal number states is, the octal number system is a positional weighted system with 8 unique symbols. The symbols are, these are the symbols. So you take any octal number, that octal number is made up of any of these symbols. So it is made up of any of these symbols, and the symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The base or radix of the octal number system is 8. So what does that mean is, you take any number, it is based, that number is made up of 8 unique symbols. So it is based upon the 8 unique symbols that are given. So that is the reason why it is called as the octal number system is represented in a base or radix of 8. If you take the decimal number system, the decimal number system has a base of 10, which means that decimal number system is made up of 10 unique symbols. It is from 0 to 9. If you take binary number system, the binary number system is made up of 2 unique symbols. That is the reason why the binary number system has a base of 2. Okay, now if you take an octal number system, it is made up of 8 unique symbols. So the base or radix of the octal number system is 8. Now the octal number system is a positional weighted system. So what is meant by positional weighted system? The binary number system, decimal number system, the octal number system. So all these 3 number systems that we have covered so far, all the 3 number systems are positional weighted systems. What does that mean is, for example, take an octal number. This is an octal number, right? If you take any octal number, the position, the value of the weight of a digit, the weight or value of a digit in the number is based upon its position. Okay, and what is the position? And what is the position of the octal number systems? The numbers in the octal number. What are the positions of numbers in the octal number system? It starts from 0 and it will get incremented 0, 1, 2. Now, what is the weight? So we have 3 4s, but do the value of this 4 is equal to this 4? No. The value of each and every 4 is different from another 4. Why? Because the value of a digit in the octal number system is based upon its position. How to find the value of a number in the octal number system? So it is to find the positional weight. How to find the positional weight is, for example, if you take this number, how to find the positional weight is, it is number into number multiplied by base, number multiplied by base to the power of 0. So this is the value. So what is its value is this, the value of this number is 4. And similarly, what is the value of this number? It is 4 into 8 power 1, which is equal to 32. Similarly, what is the value of this number? 4 into 8 power 2. 8 power 2 is 64. 64 into 4 means 16. 256. So the value of this number the value of this 4 is 256 and the value of this 4 is 32 and the value of this 4 is 4. So this is how we can find the positional weight of a number in the octal number system, and the value of each number in the positional weighted in the octal number system will be varying, and it is based upon the position of the number. So this is all about the octal number system. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.